Our planet vibrates with hidden energy. This energy, when unleashed, manifests in awe-inspiring and sometimes terrifying events: earthquakes. These tremors, ranging from barely perceptible shivers to ground-shattering upheavals, have shaped landscapes and civilizations for millennia. The science of earthquakes, seismology, delves into the Earth's intricate mechanisms to understand these events. By unraveling the mysteries behind these tremors, we gain insights into our planet's structure and behavior. Ancient civilizations wove myths and legends around these earth-shuddering events, often attributing them to supernatural beings or divine wrath. Yet beneath the veil of mythology lay the true engine of these tremors, the restless dance of the Earth's tectonic plates. This dynamic process, constantly reshaping our planet's surface, is the driving force behind the seismic events that continue to captivate and challenge our understanding. Deep beneath our feet, a slow, relentless ballet plays out. The Earth's lithosphere, its rigid outer shell, is broken into a mosaic of tectonic plates. These plates, constantly in motion, grind against each other, driven by the immense heat emanating from the Earth's core. This continuous movement builds up colossal amounts of stress along the plate boundaries. The boundaries between these plates are zones of intense geological activity. As the plates push, pull, or slide past each other, the accumulated stress eventually exceeds the strength of the rocks. This sudden release of energy is what we experience as an earthquake. The type of fault, the geological structure where the rupture occurs, influences the characteristics of the earthquake. When an earthquake strikes, the energy released from the rupture point doesn't just vanish. It ripples outwards in all directions, traveling through the Earth as seismic waves. These waves, like ripples in a pond, carry vital information about the earthquake's location, magnitude, and depth. Seismologists use sophisticated instruments called seismometers to detect and record these waves. Primary waves, P waves, are the fastest, traveling through both solids and liquids. Secondary waves, S waves, arriving later, only travel through solids. Surface waves, as their name suggests, travel along the Earth's surface and cause the most damage. By analyzing the arrival times and characteristics of these different wave types, seismologists can pinpoint the earthquake's epicenter. Despite significant advancements in seismology, accurately predicting earthquakes remains an elusive goal. The complex interplay of factors makes pinpointing the precise time, location, and magnitude of an earthquake a formidable challenge. While we can identify areas of high seismic risk, forecasting specific events remains outside our grasp. Scientists are exploring a range of avenues, including analyzing subtle changes in groundwater levels and studying animal behavior. Sophisticated computer models are being developed to simulate earthquake occurrences and identify potential precursors. Though predicting individual earthquakes may remain a distant goal, our understanding of seismic hazards has significantly advanced. Probabilistic seismic hazard assessments, PSHAs, provide a framework for quantifying the likelihood of ground shaking from earthquakes in a given area over a specific time period. While we strive to predict the unpredictable, preparing for the inevitable is crucial in earthquake-prone regions. Building codes, incorporating seismic design principles, are essential for constructing structures that can withstand ground shaking. Retrofitting older buildings to meet modern standards can significantly reduce their vulnerability to earthquake damage. Public awareness campaigns play a vital role in educating communities about earthquake hazards and promoting individual preparedness measures. Knowing what to do during and after an earthquake can save lives. Drop, cover, and hold on remains the most effective strategy during shaking. Early warning systems, which detect the first seismic waves and provide a few precious seconds of warning, are being implemented in some regions. Community-level preparedness, including organizing earthquake drills and ensuring the resilience of critical infrastructure, is vital. Earthquakes, a stark reminder of our planet's dynamism, will continue to challenge and inspire us. While the quest for accurate earthquake prediction continues, our understanding of these events and our ability to mitigate their impact have significantly advanced. By embracing the principles of earthquake science, investing in research, and promoting community preparedness, we can build a future where we coexist with our planet's tremors, not in fear, but in resilience. Every tremor, every seismic wave analyzed brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of our planet's inner workings. This knowledge empowers us to make informed decisions, develop safer communities, and foster a future where we live in harmony with the powerful forces that shape our world. As we delve deeper into the Earth's secrets, we unlock the keys to a safer and more resilient future for generations to come. The journey into the heart of earthquake science is a continuous one,